Ladies and gentlemen, today for this lesson, I will show you the strong importance to use pandas in data science. You know, pandas library is very, very important. So, pandas library is divided in three structures. The first is data frame. The second is the series, and the third is the index. Let's share you my screen. I hope so. You are seeing my screen. Let's go. But now I will open the new page of Python. In just it like that. Here I am in my Jupyter notebook. But the title of this lesson will be how to manage pandas in data science. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, great. The first thing to do here is to import pandas. Import pandas as PD. I can also import NumPy I can also import NumPy as NP, okay? But I will use this different library. But here I will begin with read in data from files. Okay, it's my first subtitle. Just to do that. Okay, great. I will import my file. How to do that? I can call the file, but I already download the one file and I put in my computer. Here is this file. I can analyze this file with a pandas. Let's open this CSV file. Look at that data in this CSV file. We can have many line and many column. Okay, let's analyze the content these files. But the name of this file is election. Okay, I have to analyze the content of these files. Just go there to the Jupyter notebook. but I can call it election, but election is PD read dash CSV like that, but it's a tuple. Okay, just to go back like that, propriety, security, and like that, close, and go back and put it here like that. Change okay, do that to allow Jupyter Notebook to read. Let's execute it. But if I print content of this file like that, yes, you can have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colon and many rounds. But we have a candidate, party, percentage, year, and result. For example, the first is Reagan, Republican, the percentage, year, and win. I can print the first line of this data. Just to do that. Yes, here is the first line. The first 5 lines of this data. I can also see or print the 5 last line or same 10 last line of this data. You know, here's the 10th last line of this data. If I go back, here's the 10th last line of this data. Okay, great. We need to specify a columns to use an index. For example, we can use a year as the index. If we decide to select years like an index, but okay. How to do that if you decide to select year like index? Go like that, put it like that. You select here like index. Just to go back and take here all this one and put it here. But here we select we decide to we select here. Okay, we select it and put it here. But you know, here is the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to print. The data with a new index, which is here. Okay, let's run, execute it. And if I print like that and I put it here, let's run it. Okay, you know, here the index was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 2020. Okay, is here I decide to select years like index, but here is the index. Nearly 18, nearly 18, nearly 18, nearly 84, nearly 84, nearly 80. But here I select like index. Okay. If I want, I can print I don't know, the 3 first element. The 3 first element. Like that. Okay. Okay. Here's the 3 first element. Just to it again like that. But I want to increase. Okay, great. But as other way, we could use the set index. Okay, we could use the set index to do that. How to use the set index? Just to write like that. Copy. So here. If I select, for example, if I use, for example, 30, that indexed equal election point set like that. Index, I can select for example 30, and that I put it here. Well, let's run it. Okay, if I print like that, execute it. Okay, you know here the index is 30. Republican, Democracy, Independent, Republican. Here's the different party in United States for many years ago. Okay, great. And the result of the many last election: Reagan, Carter, Nelson, Reagan, Mondale, Bush, Clinton, Bush, Pirot, Clinton, Dole, Pirot, Gold, Bush, Kerry, Bush, Obama, McCain, Obama, Romney, Clinton, Trump. Okay, but now we can use some operator. Okay, let's execute it. If you provide a string to the operator, you get back a series corresponding to the request. Let's try to do an example. For example, if I take this one, I go there, I put it. If I want to print, for example, one column. Example here is that okay. But for example, the eight first element. Okay, you see that candidate it first element, but here is the Nali Eli, Wican, Nali Eli, Carter, Nali Eli, Anderson, Nali 45, Wican, Nali 45. On a okay, great. The operator also accept a list of strings. Let's try with a list of strings. Like that, we can use a list of string. Okay, just do like that. You can select, for example, a random candidate, for example, put it like that, and you can select also maybe a Purdy. Okay, here's the two column. We select two column in this file. Okay, two column, and let's print, for example, the first element executed. Yes, yeah, we have a yes, it's these two main columns, and here's the index. The index, you know, candidate and party. Nali 80. Republican. Party is Republican. Nali 80, Cartin, Democracy. Nali 80, Anderson, Independent. Yes. We can use to frame method to turn a series into a data frame. Let's show you a small example with to frame, for example. How to do that? If I select, for example, if I select one column, one random column, and I put it here, and I used to frame like that. You know, if I want to print, for example, the head, execute it. Error. What's error? Let's see if all this. Yes, election. Let's execute it. Okay, great. Yeah, we can get in. There's a candidate, and yeah. Okay. The operator also accepts numerical slice as arguments. Let's show you a small example. Just drag and put here. just enter a numerical. Do you know how this function will do? You know, here we print the three first line. You know, the three first line here, the three first line. But we have here a candidate, Perly, percentage, and result. And here we print with this function the three first line. If you provide a symbol to the operator, it tries to use it as a name. This doesn't work. Let's show you something. Let's show you something. How to, but if I change it and I put, for example, the name here, if I change and I put the name here, it doesn't work. I will get error. I will use another example. For example, if I use D equal BD dollar from, just to open yes, like that. But it's like a purple line to call one or maybe two. It depends to me. Some aggregate. How to do that? Let take it like that. For example, this is a simple example. If I decide to print, for example, two, and for example, this one. First element, the one is a little to like that. For example, I can put top one like a string. In the same list, I will put another one, for example, both yes. I also will run. If I print D, I will get like that. Yes, the name, the new name of column. You know, we have 2 column and 2 line. You can get like that. If I try to predict the output, just to do that, the name of the first column is 2. If I put 2 here, I execute it. Yes, I get it. But the name of second column is 2 again. But I can do that. I can change. If I copy, for example, I put it I can change it, for example, like that. Okay, great. I get just this one, but you know, if I put one, I can get maybe error, you know. Oh yes, this is the one line. I got one line. Okay, let's 8 and continuous. We can use now the boolean, the boolean array selection. The operator also supports array of boolean as input. Let's show you something. Before to do that, I can go back and and print again the content of this one. Okay. If I decide to use boolean, I hope so all of you are seeing the content just to use boolean. Put it and many list. For example, I can use false, the use false is not just to do fast. I don't know, maybe like that, maybe, and put it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I have a 22 here. But and put it like that. And put it like that. Okay. Do that. Okay, I hope so. There is error. What? Yes. Maybe here. Yes. Maybe here. Yes. Let's execute it. Voila. How many? 1, 2, 3. Yes, I can use, for example, false. There is a small issue. False, 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 false. Two. We have how many columns? 22 columns, I hope so. 22, yes, 22. Let's go and count again. False, false, false. Let's go. I already put it here. Okay, can use for this one because I don't want to spend the time. Let's execute it. And so, okay, great. And how we get it? Here we get a 1, 2, 3, 4 line, and the result of win here. But on very common test in data science, it's a filter Boolean error selection. Is one way to achieve. This is in pandas, you know. Nali Tour, Clinton Democracy 45 winner, Nali 6, Clinton 49.2 winner, in 20 Bush Republican 47.9, in 26 Trump Republican 46.1 winner. Okay, great. I want to text something. If, for example, I use east lost, for example, equal, I copy like that, and I put it here. But if I select a result, for example, you know, but I want to print the number, the result of the lost candidate. Okay, lost, for example, executed. If I print, copy, and put it here, execute. Okay, here is the list of a lost candidate. You know, I can print also the list of win candidate if I want, just to put like that in white, win, and print, and go there and print. Okay, great. But the following code creates a data frame of all the election winners since Nali 18. Let's go and print it. How to do that? Just to put it like, to select like that, and and the just to this way. Okay. If I print error, what is a problem now? What is a problem? Ah, yes. What is what? Let go back. Error is win. Yeah. Elections year index is win. Maybe it's I need to think in before to... Okay. It's win. Normally, what is the problem? What is the problem? There is a small issue here. Election years index. Normally it should be work. What is the problem? If tolerant is none, is win. Let's go to see my AC, and so what is the problem? Normally it should be give let us add okay. I think that yes, I put it the column. Normally it's not a string. It's not a string. It's not a string. Oh, it's not a string. Good. Okay, we will stop here. I hope so you enjoy to follow this lesson. I will continue the next section after. See you. Bye.